Hi children, we are going to use the next few weeks to work lots on our addition and our subtraction and our number work like that. So today we are learning to add 3 and 4 digit numbers. So let's have a look at this question here. 406 plus 94. And I know well that you can all do this without any problem at all. You all know that we start with the units column, and then move on to our tens, and then hundreds and thousands if there are thousands. Okay, so we'll begin. I will choose my colour and we'll start. So 6 plus 4, well 6 plus 4 we know is 10, but we don't write 10 down here, we just write the number of units down here, which is 0, and the 10, the 110, we will put over in our tens house, okay? And then we move into our tens column and we add 0 plus 9 plus our 1, and that also makes 10. So we will write down our 0 here and we will put our 100 over in our hundreds house. Next we go and add our hundreds. 4 plus 1 is 500. Okay, we'll do another example like that, and this time we will try 587 plus, now I'm going to add 36, and you have to be really careful. You do not add 36 like this here, because that would mean that our 6 units is under our 8 tens. So we have to line up our units with units, tens with our tens, and hundreds lined up as well. So I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to make sure that my 30 goes under the tens and my 6 under the units. Okay. Now we'll begin with our units again. 7 plus 6 is 13. So we write down our 3 units and we carry our 110 over into the tens house. 8 plus 3 plus 1, well that's 8 plus 4, and that's 12. Down our 2 and carry our 100 over to our hundreds column. 5 plus 1 makes 623. And we're going to have a look at a word problem. And this problem says that there are 15 children in P5, 26 in P6, and 28 in P7. How many children in the 3 classes altogether? So let's see if we can work that out. So this time we need to add 3 numbers together. So we're going to be careful again and keep our units in line with each other and our tens in line also. So we have 15 children in P5, 26 in P6, and 28 in P7. So this time we're adding 3 numbers, and we're just going to put our plus sign, our adding sign, there at the bottom. Okay. I'll just change my colour, and there we begin. So we start again with our units, but we've 3 numbers to add. So we have 5 plus 6 plus 8. Now I know 5 and 6 is near doubles, and 5 and 6 is 11, and 11 plus 8 is 19. Put down our 9 and we carry our 1 and add everything in our tens column. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 makes 6. Our final problem here is I spent £2.50 on bread, £3.45 on meat, and £5.70 on fruit. How much did I spend altogether? So we know that we must add these 3 amounts of money to get the total. So we're adding money this time, so we're going to add our pounds and our pence, and we're going to keep our pence and pounds in line with each other. So £2.50 plus £3.45. Your work will be much neater than mine writing on an iPad. £5.70. So we're adding 3 amounts. And even though this is money, still use the exact same process. So we'll begin with our units in our pence column. So 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. Into our tens, 5 plus 4 plus 7. Now, how will we do that? 5 plus 4 is 9. I know that 10 plus 7 is 17, so 9 plus 7 will be 16. So I'll put my 6 down and I will carry my 1 over to my pounds column. I'll remember to add in my decimal point, and then I'll add all of my pounds together. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 and 5 is 10, and a 1 is 11. So my total is £11.65. Now you can go ahead and complete the work on your sheet in your Learning at Home booklet. You can use your exercise book to do the working out for the problems in the bottom half of the sheet, and you can fill the answers in on the sheet. Okay, good luck.